how long from when you launched to stopping custom services and just doing templates?
I was selling templates and still doing custom design for another year. I was selling more and more templates every month. I was just trying to meet an income goal that was sustainable between the templates and clients. So I wasn't having to work with as many clients, which was awesome, but I really spent all that time marketing the templates. It wasn't until about a year in that I had had my biggest month selling templates. On the other hand, I was working with like a very tough client. And then I woke up one morning and I was like, maybe I just don't have to do this anymore. So that's how it happened. But there was a period where I had to reduce my income because as soon as I dropped clients, that was probably half of my income. I was like, okay, I really need to hustle to make sure I meet that same income goal so I could live and eat and pay my bills. And if I could meet that within a couple of months, I was like, all right, this is going to be a good thing. And I did. But I was also willing to go back to working with clients if that didn't work as well. I put all my time into marketing these, see what happens. And yeah, it worked.